students, welcome to Moodle class. Now we can discuss about power. Power, there are dynamic power and static power, low power architecture. First outline, power and energy. Next, dynamic power, static power, low power design. There are the topics. Next, power and energy. Power is drawn from a voltage source attached to the VDD pin, that is supply rail of a chip. Next, instantaneous power. Power of T. P of T equal to IDD of T into VDD. Energy equal to integral of 0 to T P of T dt. Power oda integration. That is the energy. That is equal to integral of 0 to T IDD of T current into voltage VDD of dt. Average power. Power average will be equal to E by T equal to 1 by T integral 0 to T IDD of T VDD into dt. Dynamic power. Dynamic power is required to charge and discharge load capacitances when transistor act as a switch. One cycle involves a rising and falling output, that is rising output and falling output. On rising output, charge Q equal to capacitance C into supply voltage VDD is required. On falling output, charge is dumped to ground. This repeats time and FSW clock frequency times over at an interval of T. So in the diagram, FSW clock signal, VDD supply, IDD of T current, load capacitance C. Dynamic power. Power dynamic will be equal to 1 by T time period, integral 0 to T IDD of T into VDD into dt, current into voltage differential form. That is equal to constant VDD divided by T, integral 0 to T IDD of T into dt. VDD divided by T IDD of T integral பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு கிடைக்கக்கூடிய factors time period, clock frequency into capacitance into supply voltage VDD. So the finally we get C into VDD square into FSW. Suppose the system clock frequency equal to F, let FSW clock frequency equal to alpha factor into F, where alpha is the activity factor. If the signal is a clock, alpha equal to 1. If the signal switches once per a cycle, alpha equal to off. In dynamic gates, switch either 0 or 2 times per cycle, that is alpha equal to off. In static gates, depends on the design, but typically alpha will be equal to 0.1. In dynamic power, power dynamic equal to activity factor alpha into capacitance into supply voltage VDD square into frequency F. In short circuit current, when transistors switch, both NMOS and PMOS networks may be momentarily on at once upon over time. Either NMOS will be switched or PMOS will be switched, leads to a blip of short circuit current lesser than 10% of dynamic power if rise or fall times are comparable for input and output. Example, 200 meg transistor per SIP, 20 meg logic transistors, average width equal to 12 lambda, 180 meg memory transistors, average width 4 lambda, 1.2 volt, 100 nanometer process, CG, gate capacitance will be equal to 2 femtofarad per micrometer. Static, in dynamic example, static CMOS logic gates, activity factor will be equal to 0.1. In memory arrays, activity factor equal to 0.05 many banks. Estimate dynamic power consumption per megahertz frequency range. Neglect wire capacitance and short circuit current. Dynamic example, in static CMOS logic gates, activity factor will be equal to 0.1. In memory arrays, activity factor will be equal to 0.05, that is in many banks. Estimate dynamic power consumption per megahertz frequency range. neglect wire capacitance, C logic will be equal to 20 into 10 to the power 6 into 12 lambda, 0.05 micrometer per lambda into 2 femtofarad per micrometer will be equal to 24 nanofarad. C memory capacitance will be equal to 180 into 10 to the power 6 4 lambda into 0.05 micrometer per lambda into 2 femtofarad per micrometer will be equal to 72 nanofarad. Power dynamic will be equal to 0.1 C logic plus 0.05 C memory into 1.2 volt square. Frequency will be equal to 8.6 milliwatt per megahertz. Static power is consumed even when chip is quiescent. Chip silent mode இருக்கும்போதும் not working mode static power consumption ஆகும். Ratio circuits burn power in fight between on transistors. Leakage draws power from nominally off devices power drawn பண்ணும். IDS drain to source current IDS equal to IDSO into E power VGS minus VT divided by eta into VT into 1 minus E power P minus VDS divided by VT. VT is the threshold voltage, VDS is the drain to source voltage, VGS is the gate to source voltage, VT is the thermal voltage, IDSO is the drain saturation leakage current. Now VT equal to VTO minus eta into VDS plus gamma into root of pi psi s plus PSB minus root of pi s. Ratio example: the chip contains a 32 word into 48 bit read-only memory, uses pseudo NMOS decoder and bit line pull-ups. On average, one word line and 24 bit lines are high. Find static power drawn by the read-only memory. Beta will be equal to 75 microamps per volt square. VTP equal to minus 0.4 volt. PMOS transistor threshold voltage VTV. Solution: I pull up equal to beta into VDD minus VTP whole square divided by 2 equal to 24 microamps. P pull up equal to VDD into I pull up equal to 29 microwatt. Power static will be equal to 31 plus 24 into P pull up equal to 1.6 milliwatt. Leakage example: the process has two threshold voltages and two oxide thickness. Subthreshold leakage, we already see subthreshold leakage will be equal to 20 nanoamps per micrometer for low threshold voltage, 0.02 nanoamps per micrometer for high threshold voltage. Gate leakage will be equal to 3 nanoamps per micrometer for thin oxide, 0.002 nanoamps per micrometer for thick oxide. Memories use low leakage transistors everywhere. Gates uses low leakage transistors in 80% of logic. Leakage example: estimate static power. I leakage 20 into 10 to the power 6 into 0.2 12 lambda into 0.05 micrometer divided by lambda will be equal to 2.4 into 10 to the power 6 micrometer. In low leakage, 20 into 10 to the power 6 into 0.8 into 12 lambda into 0.05 micrometer by lambda plus 180 into 10 to the power 6 4 lambda 0.05 micrometer per lambda will be equal to 45.6 into 10 to the power 6 micrometer. I static will be 32 microamps. In derivation, P static equal to static current into supply voltage VDD, that will be equal to 38 milliwatt. If no leakage devices, power static power will be equal to 749 milliwatt. Low power design: reduce dynamic power. Alpha is the activity factor, that is clock gating slip mode. Capacitance C in small transistors, on clock short wires. In VDD, lowest suitable voltage. VDD can be used lowest suitable voltage, and F is the lowest suitable frequency. Reduced static power: selectively use ratioed circuits. We can also know ratioed circuits. selectively use low threshold voltage VT. VT is the threshold voltage devices. Next, leakage reduction. Leakage will be reduced by using stacked devices, body bias condition, and low temperature. Temperature will be always low. Then only leakage current will be reduced. Thanking you.